Okay, so you will receive this part. All we have to do is to take the long threaded screw and screw it to the icon, just like this. Then we put through these 3 pieces. First this one. As you can see, the screw extends a little bit on the edge, and that is because it has to go through this small hole. This may take a while. Alright, now I'm gonna use the washer and the nut. First the washer and after the nut, just like this. I'm gonna open the doors and screw these pieces from the inside. When the washer lines up with the nut, we screw the nut, and at some point the icon will stop twisting. Okay, so the next step is to take off the drawer. You can see that this small box also has a screw, and it should go into this hole. For this to be done, we have to lie this piece down. We'll take the small box, the cross first. I'm gonna put it through, and I'm gonna use the washer and the nut. And it's ready. Now, I'm gonna put the drawer back, and when you wanna close the door, for the door to be locked, this piece should be on top, high. Twist it and it's locked. The final step is to take all these 4 crosses and twist them on each dome here, just like this. The same goes for the other 3.